Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss about the Einstein theory of specific heat. Now we are going to discuss about the Einstein in 1911 applied the Planck's quantum theory of account for vibration of specific heat of solids with temperatures. Okay. Retained all the assumptions of the classical harmonic oscillators. Already have to studies classical harmonic oscillator and linear harmonic oscillator, but it replaced the classical harmonic oscillators by Planck's quantum oscillators, which can have in only discrete energy values. Means the silent features of Einstein's models are follows. First one is the a crystal consists of atoms which may be regarded as identical and independent harmonic oscillators. Okay, this is the silent features of Einstein models. Second one is a solid consisting of n atoms or number of atoms is equivalent to 3n one-dimensional harmonic oscillators. Third one is all the oscillators vibrate with the same frequency. Fourth one is the oscillators are quantum oscillators, means have discrete energy rather than the continuous spectrum as for the classical oscillators. Fifth one is any number of oscillators may be present in the same quantum state. Okay. Sixth one is the atomic oscillators from an assembly of system which is distinguishable due to their location at distinct and different lattice sites and hence obey Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of energy. The energy levels the harmonic oscillators are, that is the En equal to n plus 1 by 2, h nu equal to n plus 1 by 2 h cross omega. This is the Einstein equation. Okay, this is equation number 1, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, therefore so on, and h cross equal to h divided by 2 pi. This is the Einstein Planck's quantum number, where half h cross omega is the temperature independent 0 point energy contribution to the internal energy of the oscillator using the Maxwell's Boltzmann distributions of energy. Okay, E equal to integration of infinity 0 to infinity En into e raised to en divided by kBt into dE divided by integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus en divided by kBt into dE. Therefore equal to E equal to sum of n plus 1 by 2 h cross omega E into 1 minus n plus half bracket h cross omega divided by kBt divided by sum of e raised to minus n plus 1 by 2 h cross omega divided by kBt, that is equal to h cross omega sum of n to infinity or n to infinity n equal to 0 to infinity n plus half e raised to n plus 1 by 2 into x divided by sum of e raised to n plus half bracket into x, where x is equal to minus h cross omega into divided by kBt, that is equal to h cross omega into half e raised to x by 2 plus 3 by 2 e raised to 3x divided by 2 plus pi divided by 2 e raised to pi x divided by 2 plus therefore so on. divided by e raised to x by 2 plus e raised to 3x divided by 2 plus e raised to 5x divided by 2 plus therefore so on, where put n equal to 0 1 2 3, so therefore there is the n is the integer number 0 1 2 3, therefore so on. E equal to h cross omega d by dx ln, therefore E equal to h cross omega divided by d by dx ln e raised to x by 2 plus e raised to 3x divided by 2 plus e raised to 5x divided by 2 plus therefore so on. There is the closed bracket equal to h cross omega divided by dx ln e raised to x divided by 2 into 1 plus e raised to x plus e raised to 2x plus therefore so on, the close bracket. Then put ln bracket 1 plus e raised to x plus e raised to 2x plus therefore so on equal to minus ln 1 minus e raised to x. Therefore e equal to h cross omega d by dx into x by 2 minus ln 1 minus e raised to x equal to h cross omega 1 by 2 plus e raised to x 1 minus ex. It is equal to x cross omega 1 half plus e raised to x divided by e raised to x into e raised to x minus 1 equal to h cross omega 1 by 2 plus 1 by divided by e raised to x minus 1, that is equal to half h cross omega plus h cross omega divided by e raised to h cross omega divided by kbt minus 1. This is equation number 3. It means now the first h cross omega divided by 2 is the 0 point energy of the oscillator and corresponding t equal to 0. Thus according to quantum mechanics the atom are the not at rest even, okay, and each atom possesses the vibration energy of half h cross omega. This energy has no contribution to Cv for the 1 mole of the solids. The total internal energy of the crystal is given by E equal to 3Na into E equal to 3Na h cross omega divided by 2 plus 3Na h cross omega divided by e raised to h cross omega divided by kBt minus 1. The molar specific heat is Cv, means the molar specific heat Cv equal to dou u by dou t into phi equal to 3Na h cross omega divided by e raised to h cross omega divided by kBt minus 1 bracket square into h cross omega divided by minus kBt square e into e raised to h cross omega divided by kBt, that is equal to 3 or bracket h cross omega divided by kBt bracket whole square e raised to h cross omega kBt divided by e raised to h cross omega divided by kBt minus 1 whole square. Therefore R equal to Na kb. This is equation number 4. Let theta e equal to h cross omega divided by kb, where theta e is the characteristic temperature known as the Einstein temperatures, okay, that is the Cv equal to 3 Na kb theta e divided by t whole square e raised to theta x divided by t into e raised to theta x divided by t minus 1. Now consider the following two cases are there, okay. One is the at high temperature, second one is at a low temperature. First case is at a high temperature, kBt is greater than h cross omega or t is greater than theta e. We can write e raised to h cross omega divided by kBt minus 1, that is equal to 1 plus h cross omega divided by kBt plus therefore so on minus 1 equal to h cross omega divided by kBt. This is equation number 7. From equation 3, E equal to half h cross omega plus kBt equal to kBt. Thus, at high temperature, the average vibration energy as the same obtained from the classical theory. Also, from equation 4, the Cv equal to 3Na Kb h cross omega divided by kBt bracket whole square into 1 plus h cross omega divided by kBt divided by h cross omega divided by kBt whole square. 3Na Kb into 1 plus h cross omega divided by kBt. This is equation number 8. For large temperature T, it is the high temperature T, h cross omega divided by kBt 0, and then Cv equal to 3Na Kb equal to 3R, which is the along the Petau's law as obtained in classical theory. Okay, at the low temperature, the kBt is less than or equal to h cross omega, or R is less than or equal to theta E. We can write E equal to half h cross omega minus h cross omega E h cross omega divided by kBt. At the low temperature, average vibrational energy is a decrease. The decrease in temperature in the expression Cv becomes in terms of theta E into Cv equal to 3Na Kb into theta E divided by T whole square e raised to theta E divided by T. The theta is less than heat capacity proportional to e raised to minus theta E divided by T, which is the dominating factor. Okay, found on decreasing T, but experimentally Cv is found to decrease such a more slowly. Decrease in Cv, decrease of temperature and quality of Einstein theory. Now I will stop it.